Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? So we are back with the Pixel 10. This is Pixel 10 Pro. So today I'm going to show you how you can check this Pixel 10 Pro, especially when you are buying it from shop. So let's proceed, and let me first show you from settings. So from settings, guys, when you scroll down, as you can see, this is the Pixel. This is Pixel 10 Pro. So if you want to go ahead and you check this phone, whether it's an original phone, especially when you are buying it and you want to check the everything on this phone, you can go ahead and you dial a hash 07 hash. See, then another step, you can also dial star hash, then 72, then 87, then hash star, then hash star. Yeah, then from here you must be connected on Wi-Fi, guys. Once you are connected on Wi-Fi, you will proceed to this, you see. So from here you can check everything on this phone. You can check especially the camera, the display, a light sensor, everything. You can check it from here. And if you want to test your fingerprint, touch there, then it will detect and put a tick. If you want to check wireless charging, you must be having wireless charging, then you put it there, you charge. If you click vibration, it will vibrate, then after it gives you a tick. Yeah, so especially you have to also check what they call user guide, or they also give you instructions. Once you click here, they also give you instructions, so you have to first read and you do exactly what it is telling you. Yep. So that's it guys about this. Then it's when you're buying this phone, these Pixel phones, they also check battery health. You go directly to settings, you go to battery here, then you click battery health. So you see, this is battery health for this phone. Yeah, you can see. So guys, that's it. Those are the tips for today. Thank you for watching Apro Gadgets. Catch you in the next video.